So guys, I am currently in Oko, right here in Asaba area, at the bottom of this second Niger Bridge. So let me come and see how this particular area look like at this particular point in time, because I was made to understand that Delta State government are doing some road construction in this particular area. They call it construction of Oko Abiokbu Road, to include access road to link Oko Amoku to the second Niger Bridge. And this particular work is being carried out by Second Nigeria Limited. They are the one handling this particular project. This particular project is a Delta State project. That is why I came to this arena this afternoon. I'm here in Asaba. So that is why I said, okay, let me show you guys how this particular area look like right here in the heart of Asaba. So guys, join me with me as I take you on a tour of this particular project that is taking place in this particular arena. So guys, see you as we continue with the exploration of this particular area, because we are going to take a walk down to the other side of the second Niger Bridge and this work that are taking place in this particular arena. So guys, just have a look at what is happening in this area. This is Asaba, Oko to be precise. Thank you as you follow me down. My name is Fred. Okay?
My name is Chike Wilfred.
Okay, Chike Wilfred. Sir, I beg, sorry, I want to know a little about this particular Oko road that is taking place. How is it like, sir?
Yeah, the project is funded by the state government.
Okay.
They are doing fine, as you can see it now.
Okay, it's under construction. So that means from your own assessment, this particular work now is starting from the other side. The other side of
it. Yeah.
Okay, they want to take it from the junction?
No, from here, Sasuzo. Down to Kamakom, leading to Kubiabu, to Kanala.
Okay, and it will end there. It's okay. Good evening, madam. So thank you, sir. So that means the road is not a far distance road. It's just to short it. For people who are, maybe somebody that is up the road.
If you are coming from anywhere, you stop here, then you can go to Bridge Street.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm grateful, sir. So my name is Fred. I came from Warri. My mission is to go and locate that landmark work that that 6 lane the governor was talking about, to come and locate it. But nevertheless, at least coming here now means I saw another thing, which after here I will still go to that side. Okay. Go and locate that particular area. So thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I'm grateful, sir. So guys, just like as I used to say, I normally say big shout out to the state governor, because I was made to understand that he is the one that is handling this particular project under this more agenda. And this road is going to the Oko village, from what that man described the other time. As I said, let me take you guys along to see how this particular project is looking like. Thank you. And this is the road that's linked to the Second Niger Bridge. From Oko village, right here in the heart of Asaba, to Second Niger Bridge. So guys, just have a look at this wonderful edifice. For people that are traveling to the east, this is the route they take if doesn't want to pass through the main town. Pass this particular road. So guys, up there is the expressway that leads to Second Niger Bridge. So guys, just share your thoughts on what you are seeing. So guys, this is the Second Niger Bridge. I am at the toll gates of this Second Niger Bridge. I wanted to extend my movement to the other side, but I decided to keep it low because there's a particular area I wanted to go and visit. But because of time, I decided to leave that particular arena and go to a different direction where I've been coming from on that particular road construction that is being carried out by the Delta State Governor or Delta State Government at that Oko area. So guys, I think I've taken a walk or a tour of this particular area to an extent which I think I am satisfied with what I saw in this particular road. So guys, and I believe this video have resonated some value to you, because I've been able to show you guys how this Oko area look like right here in the heart of Asaba, because it's a link road from this particular area down to the Second Niger Bridge. I would have taken the journey further, but because of time, I decided to retrieve my step backward and let me head to the other side. I think there's this particular area they call the landmark infrastructural development just by the side of the river that the state governor was talking about sometime last year. I want to go and locate that particular area to see how the project in that area is going. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, give my videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Frederick Ubiri is my name. And always remember to buy me coffee. About to buy me coffee so that I can give you more of this kind of video. See you in my next video.